How to use Cash App Pools. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Cash App Pools. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app. On this page, there are various options that you can tap to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, the option we need is this one here, named Pool. Make sure you tap on it, but first you have to provide the amount you would like to contribution of the pool. Next, you will be taken to this page. On this page, Cash App is giving you the option to create a money pool for a group contribution. First, you have to enter a name for your pool, such as Josh's birthday gift, or any other name that is relevant to what the pool is about. After that, tap Start to begin the pool. Once the pool has been created, you will land on this page. On this page, you can see two main options: Contribute and Add People. The Contribute option allows you to add money to the pool by entering the amount you want. The Add People option lets you invite others to join and contribute toward the goal. First, tap on the Contribute option. You will be taken to this page where you are supposed to enter the amount you would like to contribute. After that, go back and tap on Add People, where you will see a list of people from your contacts or Cash App users that you can select and invite to the pool. To add someone, make sure you tap on the Add option next to the name of the user. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Thanks. That is how to use Cash App Pools.